Hey, Mark Rice here! I love my trucker hat, but I can create a crazy hairstyle as well, in Adobe Illustrator, right now. Okay, so the beauty of this portrait will be a hairstyle, and I will create it just from semicircles. It will be amazing and very easy, you will see. But first, I will create the basic shape of the face, and for that I will need the rectangle. So hit M on the keyboard and draw the rectangle. And of course, I will need a skin color for it, so I will use this color from my Gigantic Master Colors version 2. Okay, beautiful. And make these corners round. Boop. Okay. Cool. Here I need one more rectangle for the neck, send to back. Okay, beautiful. And here I'll create one more detail. Okay, something like this. Beautiful. I will add a shadow for the face. Okay, beautiful. And I can change this color as well. Okay, so I just got the basic shape of the face. And the face isn't a face without ears, so I will create it now. The second step are the ears. And I will create it very easy. For that I will need the circle. And I will use skin color for it. Okay, beautiful. I need a shadow as well. So I'll create a shadow. And here I need one more circle. Okay, something like this. I like it. Change the size. Move it here. Send to back. And copy the ear. Okay, beautiful. And now I will show you a cool glasses. So I will start with the circle, and the circle will be white. Okay, then I will copy this shape and change the size. Okay, something like this. And for this I will use green color. So this will be the one part of the glasses, but before I copy it I will create a reflection, and for that I will use rectangles and white green color. So rotate it by 45 degrees, move it here. Now I will copy it, change the size, and change the position as well. Okay, beautiful. Now I will select the green shapes, and here in the Pathfinder use the white. Ungroup the shapes and delete these parts. Okay, beautiful. Copy the shapes and duplicate it. And here I can add one more white rectangle. Group the shapes, change the size, and move it here. Okay, maybe we can create a shadow for the glasses as well. So I will copy the shape, move it here. Okay, not bad. I need to fix this part. Now it's okay. And I need one semicircle for the mouth. I want big smile, so I will increase the size. Okay, my man, I like you. So I will group everything except the glasses. Okay, and bring to front the glasses. Hop. That's it. Now the beautiful part of the character. I will create a cool hairstyle. And for that I will need the semicircle. So I will create it. And I will use gray color for it. Okay. Boom. Now I have the semicircle and I can start with the hairstyle. So basically I want to play with the angles, positions and size of the shapes, and that's it. So I will copy it, try something like this. This will be darker a bit, or this will be lighter. Okay, not bad. Pay attention about these details. I will copy it one more time. change the angle, and change the size. Okay, not bad. Maybe here I can add one more. Ooh. So hold shift and then change the size. Weird hairstyle, but don't worry, we will fix it. I will copy it one more time, move it here, send to back. So don't worry about mistakes here, just play with the shapes and that's it. You will create cool things. Okay, maybe here I can add one more light gray shape. And now if you want to finish it fast, you can just copy these shapes, okay, and reflect it here. And that's it. Okay, or if you want to bring more dynamic, you can change the angles of these shapes. But we will see at the end. I will copy it one more time. Okay. Haha, beautiful. I like it. And you know what? I will copy it. Okay, so move it here and reflect it by vertical. As you can see, it's very cool. And it can be even better if you create a few shadows here. So I will do that for you. Okay, first I will copy this shape 2 times. And one I will move here, then I will select the copied shapes, use minus font in the pathfinder, and change the color. It will be darker a bit. Okay, something like this. Beautiful. And here I can use the same technique. And you can go with this to infinity, but I think that I will finish it here. So... okay, beautiful, not bad. Maybe here I can add the shadow as well on the face. We'll see. Okay, so I will go into the basic shape of the face and create that shadow. A few details here. And that's it. Okay, and if you want to go a few steps further and learn even more, or just hang out with me on a daily basis, become part of this incredible list here. You will be able to watch my exclusive video tutorials and become part of the private community. This will be game changer for you if you are serious about your creative future. So take action right now and do something good for you and your family. And remember, stay tuned because the best is yet to come. Peace.